Babyface Sanel Masilela was just 8 years old when he made headlines around the world after marrying a 61-year-old woman. Now the odd couple have caused further controversy by marrying again a year later. The schoolboy first tied the knot with Helen Shabangu in 2013 in a lavish ceremony at his home in Tshwane, South Africa, and it sparked a huge international outcry. Now 9 years old, Sanel has walked down the aisle once more with his 62-year-old bride in nearby Mpumalanga. He wore the same tiny tuxedo and was even willing to pucker up for another kiss. Tradition dictates the couple should wed in the houses of both the bride and the groom. This time it was Helen's turn, and her 67-year-old husband Alfred was even on hand to help with the proceedings. But despite the appearance of a real wedding, Sanel and Helen are not married in real life and don't even live together. The family says the day was meant as a ritual to please Sanel's ancestors.